Hey guys, so here's a quick tip on what I like to do with vocals sometimes where I just want to add energy to a certain section. So just as a reference, this is what the vocal sounds like.
I don't wanna break your heart, but I don't wanna waste my time.
So what I'll do is I'll create a new track here. I will copy the lead vocal, and what this track is an octave up, and it has some reverb, a little bit of EQ, just shaving off some highs and lows and a bit of compression. And it's usually a pretty long reverb. Let's see what this one is, about 6 seconds, 6.5 seconds or so. So this is what the vocals sound like together with our lead and our octave up.
I don't wanna break your heart, but I don't wanna waste my time. I don't wanna lead you on.
And as you can see, I've sidechained this octave up to our lead vocal, which means when our lead vocal is playing, it ducks out of the way. And then when the lead vocal stops, it kind of just fills that space with, an octave up reverb. So that's my quick tip of the day.